Hi guys, my name is Tabitha. Today I'm going to be giving you a look at this really beautiful dresser. Now, before I jump into the video and give you an up-close look at this, I want to give you a glimpse at the assembly process. It was really quick and simple, surprisingly. And although my husband helped me with this, I do think this could easily be built by one person, but having a second person is definitely handy, especially once it starts getting bigger. And of course, when you're needing to move it around, it's going to be helpful having two people. But everything about it feels really well made and it came together really seamlessly. The instructions for getting this put together were so well made. It was easy to follow and understand the entire time. So I truly love the way that this process went, and I am so pleased with this dresser. I think it is truly beautiful. It is simple but has a touch of elegance to it. I really love the seamless, smooth finish that it has, and I think it would complement pretty much any space. The gold knobs definitely give it that touch of elegance and make it feel a little bit more dressed up. And then the wood grain look of it is really beautiful. It's really well done, and it has a physical texture to it that makes it resemble wood that much more. So I really love the added texture that that gives. And this dresser has incredible capacity. It has 9 drawers, making it really simple to keep your items nice and organized. I have this here in my room storing some clothing items and even some comfort items like blankets, or even seasonal items like swimwear or like thicker winter socks. So the storage this provides is really spectacular. So if you guys were looking for a really well-built dresser, something gorgeous and that has loads of capacity, this is a really wonderful choice. I think you guys would love it. I would definitely give it a try.